YouTube channel. My name is Oluko, and today, if today's your first day on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, okay. So today we're going to be learning different types of fruits, okay? And before we go into all of that today, we've got to greet everyone together in Yoruba language on the count of what? Enio, Ejo, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekaso, Ekale. Akude just going to go up to Latin Bamilon, Oruko Temini, Oluko, Antideke. Netitoni, Amama Konipa, Rishi, Eso, Bede Shimo, Ide Gesi, when Mama Fika come. Oh, down Emma Bawakalo. Alright, guys, so we're going to be learning about different types of fruits, okay? We're going to start with banana. Banana is what? Ogede. Ogede. Okay? Pineapple. It's called Ọ̀pẹ òyìnbó. Ọ̀pẹ òyìnbó. And pawpaw or papaya is called Ìbẹ́pẹ. Ìbẹ́pẹ. Corn is called àgbàdo. Àgbàdo. Okay? Groundnut or peanuts is called ẹ̀pà. Ẹ̀pà. Orange is called ọsàn. Ọsàn. Coconut is called àgbọn. Àgbọn. Carrot is called kárọ̀tì. Kárọ̀tì. Mango is called mongoro. Mongoro. Okay, and that's all the fruit I've got for you today. All right, so practice and practice. Why don't you go to the shopping center with mommy? Just point at those fruits and see what ones you can mention. Okay, and as you know, we're going to be saying our order but together. On the count of Enio, Ejo, Eta, Oya, O, Dabo. Thank you very much. Esho.